12 leaders of 11 political parties leave imphal to pressurize centre to include a special clause in CAB 2016 as protective shield for Manipur. Manpac, a conglomerate of 66 hills and valley CSOs, resolves to intensify fights against contentious bill, calls to hold torch rallies and support general strike. Tribal community of Manipur opposes tooth and nail all agendas of STDCM to gain scheduled tribe status for Meitei community. And Manipur will host third World Bamboo Workshop for the first time in India to promote bamboo products of Manipur from February 4 to 8 this year. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Laishong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A team of 12 leaders of 11 political parties left for Delhi today to pressurize the central leaders not to let Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 harm the state. President of Aam Aadmi Party, Thaudam Manihar, was part of the team, even though he rejected to be part of the Delhi trip when proposed by Chief Minister Nongthongman Birren in yesterday's all-political party meeting at Chief Minister's Secretariat. It may be mentioned that 9 political parties, including Aam Aadmi Party, resolved against the Delhi trip proposal. PDA Vice President said who is in Delhi has extended solidarity in a movement against the bill. President of Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh, cum Rajya Sabha MP KSH Prabhananda, BJP Vice President M. Ashni Kumar, President of All India Trinamool Congress, Dr. S. Manauton, President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit M. Tombi, and representatives of LJP, MNDF, NPF, MPC, NEIDP, RSP and NPP are in the team. Speaking to media at Imphal International Airport before the departure, President of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit M. Tombi stated that the team will pressurize the centre to include a clause in the bill so that the bill cannot harm northeast states including Manipur. He also said the centre will be pressurized not to permit citizenship to anyone without the consent of the state government and relevant stakeholders, as mentioned by the Secretary of Ministry of Home Affairs, Ashok Prasad.
Honorable CM N. Birren Nasiar Lobi the Nangarang all political party ki Mipama Napung Mapandagi Napung Ani Baba Akoi thoroughly Akoi discussion to Matunda Delhi the Satpaki Akoi Wapam si Akoi Warem Nadana Akoi Gasi Delhi the Sasagadavane Akoi Punda Tenamina Vice Akoi Manipur the Lady Parza Punamaki Apamani Puna Tenamina si Masada Leho Kolobu Wakan can be everything say Masi Tobidanaba Ishagi Magiti and the Shivishana Magiti Shimushandokari Aduga Nasi Queen necessary with the Northeast particularly koi Manipur ki damakta koi khallaga koi Manipur ki tungi damakta koi khallaga khongun murki damna madu ki chasabani.
Speaking to media, President of Aam Aadmi Party, Thaudam Manihar, stated that he took part in the trip as Aam Aadmi Party also plays a major role in safeguarding Manipur. He also said the centre will be pressurized to include special provision in the bill before passing it in the Rajya Sabha to avoid any harm to Manipur. While President of All India Trinamool Congress, Dr. S. Manauton, said memoranda on the same will be submitted to the Prime Minister, the President, the Union Home Minister and to the Chairman of Rajya Sabha, who is also the country's Vice President. Congress MLAs have
Manipur special provision ama hapho leharga madugi du hapiu haina khoi rai sabha taknaba aduga ai khoi gi provision ase hapa matung da rai sabha na aduga ayab pibi na ba aduga ai khoi gi hairiba provision ase hapringai mutung du di hapringai gi mamang da di rai sabha na pass tobidana ba haidana madugi pressure ne khoina chacharu du ri si
aduna Manipur gi ba indigenous ki protection gi wapho ma yaudra ga di haiba yam kan ba stand jima khoi gi hojiki haiba khoi gi memorandum ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯃꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯠꯆꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯤꯖꯗꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯖꯤꯅꯁꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯜꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯐꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯁꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯤꯅꯤꯌꯟꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯗꯅ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯈꯤꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤꯒꯅꯤ.
Congress MLAs have also decided to visit Delhi tomorrow to meet Congress leaders and leaders of its allied parties to prevent passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Rajya Sabha. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi asserted that Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee's sole aim is to stop the bill from passing in the upcoming Rajya Sabha session on January 31st. Speaking to media at MPCC Conference Hall today, Okram Ibobi stated that as soon as the CLP members reach Delhi, they are all set to meet Congress National President Rahul Gandhi, Congress leader of Rajya Sabha Ghulam Nabi Azad, and leaders of Trinamool Congress and Samaswadi parties. He further stated that Congress party did not join yesterday's all political party meeting as they do not believe in adding a new clause in the bill, which was already passed in the Lok Sabha. He termed the meeting as a complete failure as various political parties who attended the meeting merely espoused for withdrawal of the bill or to convene a special state assembly session. Ibobi reiterated that Congress party has been opposing the bill since it was formed. He condemned the state government for playing delaying tactics instead of taking stern actions to stop passing of the contentious bill in the Rajya Sabha.
Rajya Sabha da hek puthorappa matamda masi defeat taunanaba haina like-minded political parties jingsi akoi hana dagi so dum campaign tawjabani akoi gi PCC gi president jo hojik thambi khribudani leiriba state government sina all political party gi meeting kawbudo moina adum matam gi ngangdana deling tactics haigadra kari haini akoi di bill sina state sina karimna so loy soktanaba bill sida close ama hapan gani court kane haibana chingba madu akoi di sukha thajadaba tawgadoiba all political party gi meeting se kanadaba da futile exercise oigani lok sabha da pass tawgrabdu krai da close hapkani akoina khanjaraba damaina immediate assembly session phambiu aduga unanimous resolution ama lawsi khochi haibda state government jina yadadana hojik moisu sidi kanadaba meeting ne thoribda.
President of JDU Manipur unit Hungkan Pao Taithun also condemned the all political party meeting called by the state concerning Citizenship Amendment Bill as bluffing people of the state. Speaking on the sidelines of the first election campaign of JDU in relation to the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election at Langathal Mamang Laikai in Thoubal district today, Hungkan Pao Taithun said the JDU Manipur state unit has been urging the state government to take actions against the bill since May 2018, but the government paid no heed to them.
Akoi political party singsu yam senior oiba season politician ngtane abako masi je chahi kuntra issue tongan bada chahi tra manga Ibobi gi sarkar da political party mayam se Delhi da pareng sa oina line da chain type da chala ga to kari moina chatpade gi kari phanga pillar number 81 issue chatle kari phanga MU gi matang chatli kari phanga then now they are trying to continue the same nature. What is this? To my all political party leaders, is it important to go as a political party team to Delhi just to raise the voice? Is they are thinking that they have already done their duty? They have already executed their duty by going to Delhi and just meet Rajnath Singh or Prime Minister whatsoever without any hope of reaction, good reaction and positive response.
People's Action for National Democratic Movement, Pandam, observed its 8th Foundation Day at Nupi Lal Complex today. Speaking on the sidelines, JCILPS convener and Pandam President Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar said that the all political party meeting convened yesterday concerning Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 was behind time even though it was a right move. Dilip Kumar also termed it unfortunate that certain political parties did not attend the meeting. He stressed the need for all the political parties to unite together as one political force and pressurize the centre and party leaders to protect the common interests of the people in the state. The Pandam president asserted that Pandam will continue to support the movement against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 in association with allied organizations. Chief Editor of local daily Kanglei Park Maira, Wangkhemcha Samjai, Kanglamai President Y. Leirik Leima, President of Kanglei Imalup R.K. Sanahanbi, UCM Vice President K.S.H. Somarendro, IPSA President Joy Chandra Konthaujam, and representatives of various civil society organizations and private associations attended the event.
Political party kharana yauba adu kharamana yaudaba masidi ekhoigi wakhalda yamna penjate house tagi mapan thokpa natragana madu saujinaraga leithokpa haiba seisida ekhoigi mangjaba ekhoigi right asi masi fully utilize tabu ngamdabagi khudong thiba ma lei haina lawi yaufam thoi yauraga mamai chumdana pugadabani leiriba government asigi mihut luchingiba minister ama ani duna hekda humdana puba ngamgadaba sunate national political party sigi oiba makhoigi high command di delhi da leibanina makhoigi high command Singdudasu pursue toba, Makogi MP Singdusu pursue toba, Lona government side BJP, Maiki, pursue the Holaga Masigi, United Force, Samangala Kanda, Sanction Bazina, Imai Pakan, and a Kali, political party current.
Emergency public meeting of Manipur people against CAP 2016 MANPAC, a conglomerate of 66 hills and valley civil society organizations concerning CAB 2016 has resolved to intensify movement against the bill. The meeting held at Kwaramban Market was attended by members of 72 CSOs and women vendors at the 3 Kwaramban markets. Protesters strongly condemned the bill as a ploy for demographic invasion in the northeast states to wipe out the natives. Various slogans were chanted against the bill during the meet. Speaking to media on the sidelines, representative of Manipur people against CAP 2016 and UCM President Sunil Karam appealed to carry out mass torch rallies across the state on January 30 and to support a general strike called by MANPAC on January 31st.
Constitution Magi tangkap tu dah hai betar ke su. Aku ni merak right to equality ada sama ada yang ni hakana Muslim yang boleh kaya jauh deh. Kali kita tak tahu thamam ni.
Nak libatang kuntragi nungda waramda Mera Paibi Club punna magna punjilakana nungdang si Mera ke rally satiu kuntragi ahing minai tekin kuntra matugi ahing minai pagwisida sibuki manungsida Manipur da library miam punna magna makan makha kya ge protest satharaga na akoi gi lakai da thoga protest tawi.
People of the state continue to protest Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Sportspersons and trainees and trainers of regular coaching centre staged a sit-in against a contentious bill in front of the Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports Office at Kumalampak today. A banner condemning CAB 2016 and demanding withdrawal of CAB 2016 to save indigenous inhabitants of Manipur, to include one clause for the protection of natives of northeast states and reminding that Manipur was once an independent kingdom before the merger agreement was displayed during the sit-in. The protesters also chanted various slogans against the bill.
Adu mayamgi yaning di haiba ma lei leina sida khoi gi RCC Kumalampak ki sport player mayamna punjalaga ben sibu yaning di withdraw to bi waina khoina sida support to bogi hiho ma to bi ji media sing na ju khoi gi lebak si makok thongba leiba khoi gi mingoina panjaraba da sem iren sida magi na kongda tabu oiduna lebak si khoi gi huji haiba bill si withdraw to bo obiu.
Naharo Laishemba Club and Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai Maira Paibi also took out a mass rally against the Citizenship Amendment Bill today. The rally commenced from Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai down the roads of DM College, Nangamapal, Rims Road and concluded at Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai. Protesters from Khoyathong and Nangamapal also joined the rally. Intense conflicts ensued between police personnel and the rallyists at Khoyathong. Taking part in the protest, aspiring candidate for the upcoming Lok Sabha election, R.K. Kaiku, urged MLAs and MPs of the state to put aside political differences and act as per the interests of the people. Volunteers of Film Forum Manipur and Manipuri actors also staged a protest meet against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Kaishampa Lemajam Laikai Community Hall today. Taking part in the protest, Padma Shri awardee Aribam Shyam Sharma recalled that forefathers of the state were unhappy to merge with the Indian Union. He lamented that culture and tradition of the state started fading away ever since the merger. Aribam Shyam Sharma strongly condemned the contentious bill, which is a big threat to indigenous inhabitants of the state. He appealed for joint effort to prevent passing of the bill in the Rajya Sabha. After the meeting, the protesters marched towards Chief Minister's bungalow to submit a memorandum concerning the bill. However, police halted the protest rally at Kisampat. Later, 5 representatives of the forum were permitted to submit the memorandum to the Chief Minister.
1947 da akoina harauna akoi isai sakpa janagana sagpa nupa ni matam bandi matram saglai 1947 dagi 15 August daga matang lakpasi sum khalluraba matungda andaki akoi citizen amendment bill nasi thangal po tamutara khangki kiba mapolai akoi future karino Manipur da Manipuri oiba akoi future lairibra masi
amidst hue and cries against CAP 2016, tribal community of the state opposed to the nail all the agendas of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM for the inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Senapati District Student Association SDSA, under the aegis of All Tribal Students Union Manipur, today carried out protesting the same in Senapati District headquarters. The protesters asserted that inclusion of Meitei language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution is already a sign of a civilized society. They termed the ongoing movement of STDCM to gain scheduled tribe status for Meitei community as a retrograde move. The tribal protesters warned that STDCM's move will vitiate the Hill-Valley relationship.
Today we have a sit-in protest under the aegis of the All Tribal Student Association Manipur to show our strong resentment against the ST Demand Committee of Manipur. So today we have given a strong message to the present Manipur government that not to recommend the ST Demand Committee agendas by the government.
JAC against the renaming of Wangjing Lamding Municipal Council shut down Lamding Market from 5 a.m. this morning till 5 a.m. of January 31st against the renaming of Wangjing Lamding Municipal Council by the State Cabinet. The JAC further declared social boycott against MLA of Wangjing Tentha Kendra P. Brojin. Various shops of Wangjing Lamding Kaithel, Lamding and other business centers remain closed today. Women folk of Ima Kaithel ceased work and staged a protest meet against the same, displaying various placards. Police maintained strict vigil to ward off any untoward incidents. Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC, Lokeshwar, clarified that IMC never issued any vendor card nor collected any money for the same. Speaking to media at IMC Mayor Office today, Lokeshwar refuted the allegation which recently appeared on social media that IMC collected money to issue vendor cards. Lokeshwar said, as per a resolution taken in the presence of Mayor in the House with 23 corporators on April 30 last year, 10 rupees each were collected from unlicensed vendors of temporary market for making littering cards. He assured of investigations in the event of any misappropriation regarding making of littering cards. Lokeshwar also stressed the need for allotment of proper parking slots in Imphal City. He said, in order to make parking slots available and to raise funds for the IMC allotted parking spots on trial basis without TRPC. The IMC mayor urged the public to notify IMC in the wake of any parking slot coming up without the consent of the IMC.
April date kuntra the famgiba khogi special normal meeting aduda resolution logibani resolution adu ai am to pathok charke as proposed by L Tombi Devi, Honorable Councillor Ward number 20, and seconded by Romeo Singh, Honorable Councillor Ward number 13. The corporation resolved that the street vendors of the temporary market will be collect an amount of ₹10 per day as littering obstruction fine by issuing appropriate cards. Littering card ki utpayaba card ama sajena sagibani. Masida Bhal Municipal Corporation na paishalan na khongot khiba khoga khiba leite.
Women folks of Naria Pakanglakpa constituency today blocked Kwakaithel Lamdong Road near Tidim ground against non-maintenance of the road. The protesters want of various agitations if the road is not blacktopped by February 5. The women protesters expressed discontentment that repair of the 2-kilometer stretch of road initiated by the local MLA ceased abruptly without completion. Highlighting the plights facing the residents brought on the deplorable road, the protesters appealed to local MLA to repair the road without further delay.
Nung cha-cha-de ipun na laiba ngamde, nung chure leirang na satpa ngamde. Asi nung mata su yung biru lau pienge, tamoy sina. Nung mata su lakbide, bot mata mukhaktang da ay pangdaba yani yade haidana. Siya na piraga laiga ni haibagi wapam sa thadok piraga. Lamdam masomda lairiba praja sinzi nung sibida na isa ni inaw ni ima ni ipa ni haidana. Yung birak pa do, mayang wi oina, adu khakta ni pamjab.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on the courage of a right arm amputee. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Bukrambam Biramangol is making a great contribution for society despite being a right arm amputee. Here is an exclusive report from Impact News reporter Naresh Sagosim.
Right arm amputee Bukrambam Biramangol from Nauria Pakanglakpa constituency in Imphal West District is a living example of courage in the face of adversity. In his initial stage of life, Biramangol was a driver for Imphal to Churachandpur and Imphal to Guwahati bus services. However, he lost his right arm in a fatal accident near Kohima in one of his journeys to Guwahati in 1997.
1984 agi aise driver ama oina gari thojare aduga ai sumaina lakpasina imung manungi awa nungai leita lairasi puralaga 1997 gi June tang 19 imja gaisa numita ai Imphal to Guwahati chenba night super blue hill sida tourist bus se thoraga chatpada Kohima de extend tawbani mada ai gi khutye thamchi sokhaga mai kakhibani.
Failing to give up on his misfortune and determined not to evade the responsibility to look after his family, Biramangol embarked on his new venture of repairing loudspeakers without any help from the government or any private organizations in 1998, which eventually gained popularity as GBS Sound.
Hingnarbagi lambida sudra nomdragadi laikha tarani haibagi khangbagi maramna ngasidi ai soinaiba kuchokpa mi ama oirgasu ai na ngasi ai pangal lairibasina isajing imung manungse ai gi isajing je mapi maro nandaba lai su tamdaba samaj gi huranba daku mayam oirpoye aduna mase samaji mahik oirkado mayam se ai na isana samaji khallaga ai gi isagi imungi ai gi nupi gi aina nungsine laujaba nupi umchu isajing gi khallaga Sirabasu sangamsa ina kona zaraga suja nomzaraga ai sound khongna sound chala speaker chalaga ai sumaina yolaga adai phangpa sen aduga sound salaga madai phangpa sen isamangna khutna masina sound khongaga kanamta da sarkar da aduga atopa kairo lekai ta karigumma amta depend tawtna ai punsi ja imong manu semkalaga masi sumaina honareben.
Biramangol was confirmed 85% disabled and government handed him with a disability certificate in 2007. The certificate, however, remains a mere piece of paper as Biramangol has not received any welfare benefits or assistance meant for disabled persons till date. Biramangol appeals to relevant authority to conduct proper survey and collect data during census so that genuine beneficiaries do not miss out on any welfare schemes of the government.
Kulama hapada sangado amount ko ju puthok ngamdam ngasi bo hapri aduga sarkarna su ato lamda thaba yaba India की मफम तोगान बदा handicap सिंगी खोंखुट हापगी खुदोंचाबा अफबा लंथुम खरा पुथोबसु कमाई तौबा हाइबना चिंगबा मसी तोइना तौबीदना मसीगी अखोई खुदिमक्ता भाप ताहनबीरगा अवेयरनेस के अपीरगा मसुमाइना ग्रुप ग्रुप थाबीरगा सिनबी लांबीरगदी याम फगनी मोइना गो टू विलेज तौरगसु अखोइना मदुगी कानबसे अखोइदा फंगन मंगमदी अखोइना तौरी थबकसे मोइना हंगा मोइदगी करी पाकुम पीरगा थादोरके हाबसिसु गो टू विलेज चलीबा स्टाफ लेरिबा मोइ ऑफिस तोगान ऑफिसिंग की मरकता सरकार की मिहुचिंग थाबीरगा मीडिया पर्सनिंग तौरगा मोइ चुमना तौबरा कमाई तौरी मीजिंगसी पेनद्रीसी कईगिनो हाइबसिसु खंगबीबा याम दरकार ले अदुना अखोइ वाना गो टू विलेज चले अदु मखोइना अखोइदा इराइराइबा मोंगदा अखोइबु रिसीव तौबीरगा इराइराइबा मोंगदा सीसी हाइना डॉक्यूमेंट सीसी तौरगा ऑफिस ते लाओ अदु तौ हाइना इराइराइ थादोकपीबसे अखोइ ngasiगी सरकार पाइरिबा मयामनदी याम फजना अखोइ लोइ तौरेना परफेक्ट ओइना थबक तौबै मोंगदा हाइबी अदुबो अखोइ सुमाइना निंगमदना अखोइ पेंदना लेरिबा मियोइ कयागी मफमददी ngasi नोइना तौरिबा सरकारना तौरिबा खुदिमकसे अखोइददी उच्चाइबा अदुगा फत्तबा अदुगा मखोइना अखोइदा मियाम मांगा जुट तौबा मालनबनेना अखोइ लोवे.
His supportive wife Inaubi from Yaripok, whom he married in 1994, expressed sadness that their family endured many disheartening incidents of discrimination.
Ishor lady, me with Ishor Nangamiko, however, the Kalakani show for the Maganda, Susan Jakana Kana, Hona Kana Late, Adunami and Nabayawi, Kayamba Hindu, Yapolo Hong Kong, Basum, Tabata Johana, the Ain Pasina. Talk to the matam that it having hang Jabaton and Dongas. I'm not certain that I quite as a port over such a property. I'm hiding and the Kujiti, a Koje, Nela Kitre, Aduga, Moina, Mang that in Sitpaga, Manana, Moina, Hantana, Yam, Nakale, Koje. I don't have the Emma, the Choina, Vinipini, Pate, Cote, and a hiding about the Manacalapas, Yahweh. Adu Punging the Smani, Anungaita, Kansulaye, I am not a canvas.
The courage of Biramangol in his strive to be financially independent despite being physically challenged is indeed laudable. But just because he can make his stand doesn't mean he should be deprived of his due rights. Relevant authorities should ensure that no genuine beneficiary is missed out of welfare benefits and facilitate in making them at par with others. And it is high time to stop discriminatory attitude towards physically challenged persons and their family. This is Joyce Rusham for Impact News reporter Naresh Sagolsem, Imphal.
Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch under its livelihood project Ashagi Mangal distributed aids to 66 women beneficiaries today. Combat battle widows, widows of HIV positive partners and widows of cancer patients from Imphal West, Imphal East, Bishnupur and Thoubal districts received the aids under the aegis of International Committee of Red Cross and Indian Red Cross Society National Headquarters. Speaking on the occasion, Governor Dr. Najma Hebdullah, who is also the president of the Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch, believe that the welfare aids will benefit the women at least to some extent. The governor also assured that yet another grant in aid distribution program for the beneficiaries will be held in September this year. Manipur State Social Welfare Department to organize a one-day sensitization cum training program on child protection in the election counting hall of Thoubal DC complex today. Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee Imphal West, Thiam Raj Kishore, gave resourceful insights on the topics sexual offences against children and its remedies, and towards safety net for children through JJ Act 2015 during the technical session of the program. Block Development Officer Kakching S. Surchandra, Asha and Anganwadi workers took part in the training. Manipur will host the 3rd World Bamboo Workshop from February 4 to 8 this year. Speaking to media at a conference hall of Forest Headquarters in Sanjinthong today, Principal Secretary of Textiles, Commerce and Industries P. Wi-Fi IAS stated that the first ever bamboo workshop in India and 3rd in the world will be held at Hapta Kangjibung and City Convention Center. He further disclosed that at the end of the workshop, MOUs will also be signed between the two companies of Mexico and Bangalore for promoting bamboo products of the state. The Principal Secretary also said that a state bamboo policy will also be formed in the near future. Attending the meet, Ambassador of World Bamboo Organization Nirmala Chongtham urged people of the state to participate in the workshop, which will be participated by 34 countries. She said bamboo experts will also give invaluable insights during the workshop.
Aina khatang appeal ama tawsiningdi odise ban gumba blockade gumba su yamna Manipur se sum khara tawi adubu for the 8 about the khoi state ki sing khalas ho different khoi pain da mayam am su lei adu su khangjai adubu 34 countries na Manipur se kaino na yengbu matamda good memories oina porakna ba mayam the public tai I just request I di si matam si da mayam thawai chang na yaubiraga aduga akhoi se kari kana hoba yagage tungda kamai tawdana akhoi gi resources singse to the maximum level exploit tawraga commercialization tawbagi se kamai yage na khanbiraga mayam praja singsu soidan yaubiu.
A two-day triennial fellowship meet 2019 started today at Whitehall Phomnal Baptist Church for the second time. Maring Naga Baptist Association organized the meet under the theme of Christ, our vision and mission. Speaking in the event, Reverend K. Moses Maring said that the fellowship meet was organized with an aim to bring peace, unity and love in the state. Members of 58 full-fledged church and 8 fellowship church from Nagaland, Dimapur and Delhi are attending the fellowship meet.
Christian ishor bu thajab lambi si mapung na khoi thoi lambi da ing thatap thaba aduga haraun ngai na panmina ba aduga yamna ing na tapna panmina ba wapau se khoi maro na mapung na sandokuni ana khoi maro na ishor da khoi gi aran ba mayam si haidok charaga puning hungjaraga khoi ishor gi ing thaba tap thaba phangle harga yai phun ngai na pan ba adugi message si khoi na sandok jabane Christian
Ramgalong village of Langol held Chuncham Ngai, symbolizing unity among Rongmai residents of the village following varied religions. The first Women's Day of Ramgalong Women's Society was also observed on the occasion. Speaking in the event held at Ramgalong Public Ground, Vice Chairman of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority Adim Pame expressed contentment that residents of the 53-year-old village have come together to celebrate the Unity Day. He advocated for such unity and integrity among other communities of the state. Adim Pamay also stressed the need to enhance ties among the valley and the hill inhabitants. He termed it unfortunate that some villages of Imphal Valley, which falls under outer parliamentary segment, are allowed to cast votes but are given no opportunity to contest in the parliamentary elections.
Sapchana tawpham thokpa khun sigi ngakpham thokpa satnabi aduga tampak kilaireba ichini naw singsibu nungsina hanningai gi nakoina lambi awatpa matamda ngasidi lan thokladra ngasidi tampak kilaireba ichini naw sing metei ichini naw singa lan thokna kadra haiba matamda nakoina ahan laman singna thaubai gi ahal laman singna chatle haraga atnaba yade ko aikhoidi.
Classical dance Niti Leela performance by senior artists of Guru Abunghal Dance and Music Center Kashamthong bagged first prize at Drama and Dance Festival 2019. Dakshina Assam Goreshwar branch organized a festival at Goreshwar in Assam from January 5 to 8. Secretary of the center Nongmaithe Memcha led the cultural troupe representing Manipur. National Sports University Haraut Health Protection Committee demanded completion of National Sports University at Haraut Health at the earliest and to start academic session by 2020. Senjam Khunau and Senjam Chirang Joint Development Organization Imphal West expressed discontentment over handing over the construction work of the university to MS Simplex Project Limited by Hindustan Steel Work Construction Limited. Speaking to media, Working Chairman of National Sports University Haraut Health Protection Committee, I. Rajain, stated that after the government's order to construct National Sports University at Haraut Health, people of the area were overwhelmed and even sacrificed their land for the construction of the university campus. Expressing disappointment at the slow-paced construction of the university, Rajan drew the attention of the government to look into the matter.
Simplex Limited si magi character mana hana tawhiba thabak thorom mayam sing asi yamna delay tawba adumba agency amagumna khoi praja singna khanjai khoi gi ima kaithel ahum sabai manungda mahang ani sayena taje ani sabje hokiba earthquake ta crack chale hai 2020 gi lakador academic session jedi National Sports University Harauthel gi complex dai da academic session ase mapung phana honbang ngamnabai dangta masai dai da sarkarna mapung phaba mieng changhaningi
Prime Minister na habiramba matamdudi yamna tenba matamamda sahi ani hunggi manungda miyamna pamba punamakto uhangani na habiramaga hujikna laimai semba bawda kaimta lengdaba fiamda leire aduna akhoida yamna pungning nungsiba lam pithuraga masida ugadoba phajaba singdudi amta ubanga maktabagi pot ama lakpasina akhoi wakhalda nungaitabam phawole.
Meanwhile, Kaunu Laima Chanulup Senjam Chirang drew the attention of Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng to repair the road leading to Harauthel National Sports University from Senjam Khunau to Senjam Chirang. The association want to block the road if necessary actions are not taken. People in the area, along with local Mera Paibis, staged a sit-in against the same at Senjam Chirang Community Hall today. Speaking to media, Secretary of Kaunu Laima Chanulup Haikam Amravati reminded that the Chief Minister gave assurance to repair the road in 2017 during his visit at a sports university, but failed to take up measures even after a year.
Sport University Hanamakta construction gi material Pusalakliva Mazakindo, I could think a never Lambisida. Makoina, Praza Akoida. Tazaba Piramaga, Masi Minam Biduna, a Koibu, Nuai Handaba, Tawai Nuaitaba, Koina Poklibangasi, she pull Boron hold the Suya Dreva, Gari di Salibasi Masingangde, Jingi Lamda, Atopalam Kayada, Mapang Kuding Mactamana, a quiggy tung the Hibasing Sehoji, Loy Maksanga, and Siemberlegre, a quiggy Sidang Atamnana Kakose, a Quibukari, the Hana Kandopi Ribano, Loyalamni, Natragas, Ahotabani, Hibagi, Shitabra Habasi, a Waruba Mopoxereva. How you a Quishima Pame, Karigumana, who you the Chimney have a Tazaba Piraktragadi, a Quidi Makal Makagi Punjan and never.
Now the sports news. KPSC Kakching and Nako Nambul Mapal beat their opponents in today's match of the 61st Sir Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament played at Kumalampak Turf Ground. KPSC Kakching beat Huso Sanapati District 4-1. H. Shittal, H. Dhruba, T.H. Abinash and KSH Tyson scored 1 goal each in the 33rd, 37th, 48th and 50th minutes of the match, while Nako Nambul Mapal beat GSC Churachandpur 3-1. For the winners, YN Kesh scored 2 goals in the 74th and 84th minute, while NG Rahul scored 1 goal in his 90th minute. All Manipur Football Association has been organizing the tournament dedicated to father of the modern games of Manipur Churachan Maharaj since 1950. 31 teams are participating in the tournament, including 2 teams from outside the state. In the subsequent matches tomorrow, LYCC Chandel will meet Rao Lairigyingbam Lekai and NCC Kongapat will play against UBSA Kakching. The 38th tournament of the Paumai Naga Students Union Paumata PNTMT kicked off at Liai today. Chairman of Hill Area Committee Thangzalam Haukip opened the tournament in the presence of Paumata SDO Adhari Mahio MCS and Director of HRD and ENEC Shillong KH Shil Anthony. PNTMT was established in 1950 with the theme Wait in Peace. Various sports events like men's football, men and women's volleyball, and men and women's basketball will be played during the tournament to be continued till February 4th. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 12 leaders of 11 political parties leave Imphal to pressurize centre to include a special clause in CAB 2016 as a protective shield for Manipur. Manpac, a conglomerate of 66 hills and valley CSOs, resolves to intensify fights against contentious bill, calls to hold torch rallies and support general strike. Tribal community of Manipur opposes tooth and nail all agendas of STDCM to gain scheduled tribe status for Meitei community. And Manipur will host Third World Bamboo Workshop for the first time in India to promote bamboo products of Manipur from February 4 to 8 this year.